Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs bleed $755 million as post-wipeout fear grips traders. Bitcoin ETFs. Ethereum. President Trump's tariff threat on China ignited a historic $19 billion crypto liquidation, compelling a $755 million investor flight from major Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Journalist Hassan Shittu. About author Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, Last Updated, 4 hours ago. U.S. spot Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded funds, ETFs, recorded a combined net outflow of $755 million on October 13th, as investors reacted to the aftermath of one of the largest liquidation events in crypto history. The sell-off, which wiped more than $500 billion from the market over the weekend, has shaken investor confidence following renewed U.S.-China trade tensions. According to data from SoSoValue, Bitcoin spot ETFs saw total outflows of $326.52 million, while Ethereum spot ETFs recorded $428.52 million in net withdrawals, their third consecutive day of losses. The outflows mark a sharp reversal from the strong inflows seen earlier in the month, suggesting heightened caution among institutional investors. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF holds firm as crypto funds face $500 million outflows. Among Bitcoin ETFs, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, was the only product to record inflows, adding $60.36 million on the day. IBIT now holds $93.11 billion in total net assets and maintains cumulative inflows of $65.32 billion, continuing to dominate the sector. In contrast, Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, posted the highest daily outflow at $145.39 million, bringing its cumulative net outflow to $24.35 billion. Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, FBTC, also reported withdrawals of $93.28 million. As of October 13th, the total net asset value of Bitcoin spot ETFs stood at $157.18 billion, representing 6.81% of Bitcoin's total market capitalization. Trading volumes reached $6.63 billion for the day, underscoring elevated activity amid market uncertainty. Ethereum spot ETFs experienced even deeper redemptions. BlackRock's Ethereum ETF, ETHA, led the decline with $310.13 million in outflows, followed by Grayscale's ETHE with $20.99 million and Fidelity's FETH with $19.12 million. The total net asset value of Ethereum spot ETFs fell to $28.75 billion, equal to 5.56% of Ethereum's market capitalization. Cumulative inflows across all Ether ETFs now stand at $14.48 billion, down from $15.08 billion earlier in the week. The broader market downturn was triggered after U.S. President Donald Trump confirmed plans to impose a 100% tariff on Chinese imports, sparking fears of an extended trade war. Beijing responded by warning it was ready to fight to the end, deepening global market jitters. Bitcoin prices dropped 2.54% to $112,283, while Ethereum fell 3.39% to $4,030. Despite the weekend's volatility, data from CoinShares earlier this week showed that crypto investment products had attracted $3.17 billion in inflows over the previous week, even as markets faced heavy selling pressure. Bitcoin funds led with $2.7 billion in inflows, while Ether funds gained $338 million before the latest reversal. However, total assets under management for crypto funds slipped to $242 billion from $254 billion the week prior. CoinShares noted that trading volumes during the correction reached record highs, with $10.4 billion traded on Friday alone, reflecting heightened activity as investors adjusted positions. Bitcoin and Ethereum slide ahead of Powell's speech as traders brace for volatility. Bitcoin and Ethereum extended their declines this week as traders brace for Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's upcoming speech, which could determine whether the crypto market stabilizes or faces further losses. Bitcoin, BTC, fell 3.1% in the past 24 hours and nearly 10% over the week, trading at $111,700, about 11% below its record high of $126,080. Ethereum, ETH, dropped to $3,974, down 5.1% on the day and 15.2% over 7 days. The broader market slipped 3.2%, bringing total capitalization to $3.8 trillion. Analysts say Powell's comments at the National Association for Business Economics, NABE, meeting in Philadelphia could influence sentiment on interest rate cuts. A more hawkish tone could extend selling pressure across risk assets, including crypto. Meanwhile, traders are closely watching Bitcoin's tightening volatility. According to analyst Tony the Bull Severino, the cryptocurrency's Bollinger Bands on the weekly chart are showing record compression, a condition that has historically preceded large price swings. Severino warned that the current setup could lead to either a parabolic breakout or the end of the ongoing bull cycle within the next 100 days. Despite the downturn, institutional interest remains firm. BitMine, the world's largest corporate Ether holder, disclosed that it had increased its ETH holdings during last weekend's crash, purchasing over 202,000 ETH valued at $827 million. The move raised its total stake to more than 3 million ETH, roughly 2.5% of the total supply, at an average price of $4,154. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. This felt different. Why Friday's crypto crash made history. Early Bitcoin whale shorted $1.1 billion right before tariffs, now up $27 million. How did he know? XRP price prediction. SEC filings hint at imminent ETF launch. Is this XRP's moment to hit $1,000? Wazir X wins court nod in Singapore for debt restructuring scheme. CEO says China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Features. Kostya Kudo. What we know about crypto traders' suicide. 1 day ago. By Connor Sefton. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP hasn't bottomed until Bitcoin stabilizes. Buy the dip. 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. Crypto whale opens new $163 million Bitcoin short after $192 million win. 1 day ago. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 hours ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 22 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 19 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 9 minutes ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 7 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.